You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this interesting word in British English and American English. Yes, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. The standard UK pronunciation is as inventory. Inventory, you essentially skip the TO syllable. Some may say inventory as well, inventory, but generally inventory, alright? Stress on the first in syllable. American English pronunciation, inventory, inventory. So I put the phonetic spelling on your screen, inventory or inventory, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.